Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with another video for you. On this video, we're pretty much going to be showing you how to download and install a program called Telegram. Pretty much Telegram is a messaging program that's pretty much used out there to talk to so many different people on there. This can pretty much be installed on an Android, on iPhones, iPads, and pretty much I wouldn't doubt on Android tablets too. It also supports on Windows and Linux and also Mac OS. So it's a regular popular program and it's pretty much used for a lot of communications and chattings and stuff like that. Has some cool features, has themes and stuff like that, and emojis and group chats and recording stuff. So there's lots of cool things that can be done. Regardless, let's go ahead and get started. So first thing to do, you pretty much just need to open up a browser. You can choose any one you want. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Microsoft Edge. That's the Chromium base. It actually runs a lot pretty smoother than you may imagine. Here we are onto the system. You can choose whatever you want to. Again, you can use Chrome if you want to. Regardless, you go to the top and go to your search bar. And all we're going to do is type in telegram.org. And we're going to go ahead and press enter. And it should take us to their site. And it tells us all these features, tell about it, tells us changes and news. Regardless, all we have to look is for the one that says pretty much from Windows is what I have right now. I'm going to go ahead and select Telegram for PC and Linux. And pretty much from this list, there's a portable version. That's actually freaking pretty cool. I didn't even know that's been there. Regardless, we're going to select where it says Get Telegram for Windows x64. Now, technically, if your computer was different, it may not be shown on here. Mine's a 32-bit. It possibly will say 32-bit for it. Regardless, mine is pretty much a 64-bit. To find out how your system is, you can pretty much just open up Explorer if you want to. And then from there, you'll see this PC. Go ahead and select it, and select right-click on it, and select Properties. And give it a little time. And right here, after all this stuff, it tells us what system type it is. Mine says mine is a 64-bit operating system of x64-based processor. So that pretty much sets what the program is telling me. Regardless, I'm going to go ahead and exit out. And I'm going to go ahead and select the pretty much to get Telegram. I'm actually going to back out because I actually had there's a portable version. You don't have to. All I'm going to do is choose the 64-bit right here. I think if you had 32-bit, it'll be this one right here. So I'm going to get Telegram for Windows x64. So go ahead and select it. And here is the exe file. It's pretty much downloading. And I'm going to go ahead and press open that file. Now, technically, if you don't know if the downloads were there, you can select the folder. And it'll take us to the location where it's at. I honestly can probably delete all of this. This is from other videos I've made in the past. Let me just get this out of the way. And here we are. Here's pretty much the Telegram that's pretty much downloaded. So you can pretty much run the file that was just there. I just saw right now where we at. Let's read downloads. And you can pretty much open the file. Or you can go to the file wherever it's saved and double click it and open up too. Regardless, I'm going to go ahead and just exit this out. And I don't think I really need the browser anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and exit this out too. And here we are. It tells us select what language you want. By default, mine is set up to English, depending whatever you want. There's like Dutch, and there's French, and there's Espanol, Italian. You pretty much whatever you want to choose. I'm pretty much going to leave the English there. I'm going to pretty much press OK. And it'll take us to this location right here. Well, to this page where it tells us the location. Select your destination of location. Technically, by default, it's going to install underneath the current user, app data roaming, and there's Telegram desktop. You can customize this if you know what you're doing. And also people who have like another hard drive, let's say an external, not external, but let's say a secondary hard drive like a D drive or something like that, then I understand. You don't want to push too much underneath your SSD. You want to just be on your external, on your regular hard drive, pretty much an HDD or an SSHD. You can pretty much understand if you know what I'm talking about. Regardless, I'm just going to go ahead and just leave it as is and press next. It tells you want to create a desktop icon. By default, if you do not want, you can check the don't create a start menu folder. I'm going to go ahead and leave this in and it'll be able to be found. I'm going to go ahead and press next. And I'm going to press next again. It tells you want to create the desktop shortcut. And we're going to press install. So here we are, it's pretty much extracting the files, creating the shortcuts, and it tells us we want to launch the Telegram. I'm going to go ahead and press finish. And see if this program actually loads up. Here it is. Start messaging. Pretty much the program's already up. Look, it's loading up. There it goes. Press start messaging. Now, technically, you will probably need to link this to your phone because they are integrated together. And you can probably search the rest for this. You probably need to download the app also for it. But this is pretty much the concept. You will need to go to settings. And then you'll go to pretty much devices. Well, when you see on your phone, you'll pretty much go to there. You'll set settings, devices, and scan this QR code right here. or log in using your phone number. Let's see if I can do my phone number. Let's see if this will work. I'm probably going to have to gray this out, though you won't be able to see it. I'm going to go ahead and press next. And it's pretty much going to send a code to it. Let's see if it comes through. I have not got it. Let's see if I can send it. Probably, I don't have the app technically installed. So let me install it on my phone real quick and let's see if I get it. Now, technically right now, I'm actually getting the program installed on my phone. But if you don't want to do that route, you can pretty much just send an SMS underneath pretty much to your phone number. And you should just get pretty much a text message for it. So I'm going to go ahead and try this route. Send to your Telegram. So yeah, I technically would have to get onto there. So let me go ahead and finish downloading it on my phone and get the code for it. Alright guys, so pretty much how the program installed on my phone. So I'm pretty much going to go to settings. You'll pretty much open the program, create your account if you need to, follow the instructions. You'll pretty much search them on the web, but it's pretty much a step-by-step. Once you get to there, pretty much go to your settings. When you get to your settings, we're pretty much going to go to, where's it at? I was going to say devices, scan QR code. And pretty much I'm going to use the scan QR code on that option. So you'll select scan QR code. And I'm pretty much using my phone and get to it. Let's see if I can get to it real quick. I'm actually going to have to backspace real quick this. And let's see, start messaging. And here we are. And it got it. And that pretty simple will tell me if you want to accept it or not. I just accept it. So here we are. We're pretty much already on it. Now, if you have your contacts and stuff, you can connect them on there from your phone. And you're pretty much set. And that's pretty much how to download and install Telegram in Windows 10. Thank you for watching from Hilton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you just like this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.